welcome to another vlog. We've got a pretty chaotic morning going already because we've got sick kiddos. So we are just going with the flow. Lots of cuddles, and we've got a sick kit. I'm going to show you guys what's in my sick kit for when I have a sick toddler at home, just things that I like to have on hand.
Yeah. No.
I was able to get started on the kitchen and be pretty productive in there, just lysoling things down, Cloroxing things, and putting away the dishes. My newborn just has the sniffles, and my toddler just got some type of cold that's got a hold of him with a low-grade fever, some cough, and some sniffles. So he gets bursts of energy, but overall it's been pretty mellow, so allowed me to get several things done today. Our household has pretty much come down with something every single month, sometimes twice a month since November. Let me know down in the comment section, are you guys going through the same thing? I know it's cold and flu season, so if you are struggling, you are not alone. But let me know in the comments below if you guys have been getting a lot of colds and sickness too.
No.
I just realized while I was editing this that I never did show you guys my sick kit that I like to have on hand. If you are interested in seeing that, let me know in the comments below. I'm happy to show you what I use, but I did forget to show you in this video. So I'll either have to make a separate video or I can just answer you in the comments below. So let me know if you want to see what I like to keep on hand when my kiddos are sick. I hope that you enjoyed today's video. If you did, definitely leave me a comment down below, subscribe, and hit that like button. It helps out my channel immensely. Also, let me know what videos you are loving and what you would like to see from me next. Until the next one, bye guys.